morning, students. Today we'll start exercise 8.2. Question 1. Evaluate the following. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So we have to, this is a very simple question. We just have to put the values of all t ratios regarding their angles. So you can see that value of sin 60, see here, from sin 60 it is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is also root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is root 3 by 2. This table you should learn properly. If you learn sin theta, cos theta and tan theta with all the angles, then you can find easily cosec, sec and cot theta. But you should learn this table first of all. So first put the values here. This is equals to sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2's are 4, 1 2 2's are 4. So this will give us 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. Now the second question is 2 10 square 45, 2 10 square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay, then again from this table we'll put values. We need tan 45, which is equals to 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, so let's put the value. So this will be 2 into 1 square. Tan 45 is 1, so square of 1 will also be equal to 1 only. Cos square 30, so cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this is 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So this is equals to 3 by 4, 3 by 4 got cancelled, so it is equals to 2 only. Now come to third one. Third one is cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Okay, so here we have to put values. Sec 30, for sec 30, see what is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3, because sec is reciprocal of cos, so will take reciprocal of root 3 by 2. Similarly cosec 30, so will take reciprocal of sin 30. So it is 1 by 2, so we will get 2. So now put the value. Cos 45 we know it is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 is sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and cosec 30 is 2. So when we solve this, we will get 1 by root 2 into, from here we will get root 3 and root 3 will go in numerator also. So 2 plus, take LCM and solve it. So it will give you root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, now you have learned rationalization in class 9. We'll do rationalization. Root 3, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, multiply it with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So here we'll get 2 root 3 into root 2, root 6 minus 2. 6 3s are 18. We'll simplify it afterwards. And here we'll get 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Okay, now solve this step. We'll get 2 root 6 minus 9 2s are 18. So square of root of 9 is 3. So 3 2s are 6 root 2. And here we'll get 4 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Square of root 2 is 2 minus 2 2s are 4 and square of root 6 is 6. So here we are getting 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 upon 8 minus 6 4s are 24. Now you can see this 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 upon 8 minus 24 will get minus. So here we can see that 8 minus 24 is 16. So minus 16, from here we can take out 2 common, so 2 cancel. Here we'll get root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8. Then multiply this with minus, we'll get 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. So this is your answer. Now fifth one, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay, again put the values. Cos square 60 you can see 1 by 2. Sec 30 means 2 by root 3. 10 45 is 1. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, fatafat put the values. 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into sec square 30 means 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 square upon 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So here we'll get 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1, and here we'll get 4 LCM. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, that is equals to 1. So finally we'll get 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Okay, numerator is 1, so no need to write that. So this is, so now solve this. 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. 4 3s are 12. Now 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 16 4s are 64 minus 12. So here we'll get 15 plus 52 upon 12, which is equals to 67 by 12. Now fourth question, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos 660 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Let's put the value. Sin 30 1 by 2, this is 1. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 upon sec 30, again 2 by root 3, reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is root 3 by 2, sec 30, sorry. So cos 30 root 3 by 2, so sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45. Cot is reciprocal of 10, so this is 1. So you can see in numerator and denominator both we have fractional numbers, so we'll solve it separately. So first we'll solve numerator. In numerator 2 and 3 are the numbers in denominator. So LCM of this is 2 root 3. 2 divided by this, 2 root 3 will get root 3 into 1 root 3. Here will get 2 root 3 and here will get only 2. So 2 2s are 4 upon, in denominator also you can see that you will get 2 root 3 only LCM. So here will get 2 2s are 4 plus here root 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3. So in numerator we are getting 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. Root 3 cancel. So in numerator we are getting 3 root 3 minus 4 and in denominator 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay, now let's do rationalization of this. In this step only I am doing 3 root 3 minus 4. Rationalization you know already, you have learnt. So here we'll get 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. Here I am applying formula a minus b whole square, and here a plus b and a minus b is there, so a square minus b square. So now open the bracket. 3 3s are 9 into root 3 into root 3, 3. 9 3s are plus b square means 16 minus 2 a and b upon 3 3s are 9 into 3 minus 16. So you can see here in numerator we are getting 27 plus 16 minus 2 3s. We have to just simplify this. 9 3s are 27, 16 minus 3 2s are 6, 4s are 24 root 3 upon 9 3s are 27 minus 16. So here we'll get 27 plus 16 33 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16 11. Okay, so this is your final answer.